ask one
quick
question? So I noticed the name Edom, the word Edom, which is of course Esav. If I read the words in reverse, it says Modeh. Of course, it's not the right way to write it in Hebrew, because Modeh originally is written with with Hey, and Edom is with Aleph. So I was wondering, although this is not the exact way of write it in reverse, I was wondering if this is like this because Edom is like the opposite of being grateful. Because I saw that we can see that Esav was very grateful with his firstborn rights and with the blessings, and he was very grateful with the fact that he was born into a family of Talmidei Chachamim, and yet he managed to be one of the most wicked persons in history. So I was wondering if this could make sense, perhaps.
I'm not sure. We have to see if any big rabbi actually said that. But I know in the Talmud there is a question, so they say, why do we have this Esav? Why do we have this Edom? They torture the Jewish people so much. And HaShem, in a sense, I don't remember through the prophet, I don't remember the story, but the bottom line, I do remember. So he answered them. So all of the suffering of the Jewish people, HaShem said, it's worth it for me because of Rabbi Meir, that came from Edom. Rabbi Meir, who converted, he was from Edom. He converted, became one of the greatest Jews ever lived. So Hashem said, it's worth it for me to have this precious soul in my nation. Understand? And there were a lot of great people from Edom. So Rabbi Akiva was from Edom. Shmaya and Naftalion, right, to converts also were from Edom. And usually halacha is, and if you see, I think Sefer Melachim, I think, not Sefer, like Hilchos Melachim of Rambam, so you're not allowed to give convert like prestigious position, like to oversee the Jews, not allowed. Especially not to be like Av Beis Din and Nasi. It's two top Jews in the nation, absolutely not. And guess what? The sages of that generation had to do exception from Shmai and Naftalion. It's a one-time ever exception because these two converts, they're so great, there were nobody in the Jewish nations as great they are. They had to change our sages, like in their humility. You understand that they could say, you know what, you're not Jew, you convert, you go away. No. They were holy people. They say, no, we have to change the law and allow these two be in charge. You understand? So to say that only bad things came from Edom, not all. Some of the greater converts came from Edom.
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.